Everything went haywire. The value of a Shiba Inu is rapidly decreasing. But what the hey? Why is there cause for alarm? At this point, how is Blackrock relevant? Who knows? We'll find out. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. An unforeseen twist occurred this week. The cryptocurrency market plummeted. Now a lot of people are becoming irritated. In example, the article helps investors who have just joined the market and are now selling their holdings at a loss. Shiba Inu also fell, perhaps as a result of today's Bitcoin drop, despite the fact that it has recently been positive. And we must not overlook the fact that Shiba Inu's behavior is quite similar to Bitcoin's. Yet this is something that may elude their comprehension. Many were anticipating a meteoric rise in the price of Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency industry after the recent halving event. This has always been the case, but it doesn't take place immediately. It is astounding that some believe the halving will instantly cause Bitcoin to reach $200,000, as explained by one Twitter user. However, the price doesn't begin to appreciate for another 6 to 9 months. This implies that the price of Bitcoin usually takes about 6 to 9 months to start climbing meaningfully following a halving event, when the reward for mining new blocks is slashed in half. So, while the event is generating a lot of buzz, the whole effect on the price won't be seen right now. Only in the long run has the halving been beneficial to Bitcoin's price. After the price of Bitcoin was halved in 2012, 2016, and 2020, there was a significant rise in its value in the following year. Prices, however, changed very little, if at all, in the month after the halving incidents. A pattern appears in these data. To a greater or lesser extent, the market responds to the halving's immediate impacts while ignoring its more far-reaching consequences. In any case, why did the whole cryptocurrency market collapse today? Could you tell me why? After 71 consecutive trading days, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF finally had no inflows today, 0.02 seconds after the Bitcoin ETF's green light. It prompted the reasonable inquiry of how it is even feasible, as in, absolutely none. I don't see how that could not be a statistic. Why can't it be zero? Zero inflows after continuous good activity raises concerns, therefore it's a reasonable query. Zero usually means nothing, but in the world of finance, it's unusual to see complete inactivity, particularly after a major event like the adoption of a Bitcoin ETF. Because of this, many start to question if there isn't more going on in the background. In the 7 days after its debut on January 11th, the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF has amassed over $15.5 billion, thanks to daily investments of millions of dollars. On April 24th, BlackRock reported $0 in inflows, ending its inflow run. For a long time, many in the cryptocurrency community had the belief that Bitcoin will break the record for most continuous inflows into an exchange-traded fund, ETF. Picture the disappointment on the faces of crypto fans whose daily influx statistics they anxiously await if they were to abruptly stop. Discussions and theories about it will flood internet forums and social media, creating enormous interest in the crypto community. Although this is unprecedented for BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, it is typical for other ETFs to see poor inflows. For instance, in the last 2 weeks, Fidelity has seen 3 days with no inflows. However, the fact that the streak was ended still causes many to feel unhappy. By any standard, this 71-day run places the Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock in the top 10 all-time funds. For your information, JP Morgan's Equities Premium Income ETF had the longest inflow streak ever recorded by an ETF at 160 days. Still, this isn't why Bitcoin's price fell today, leading other cryptocurrencies to do the same. If that's the case, then why is it? Continuing its pattern of losses, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF did what we've come to expect. The $130 million inflows were detected by Grayscale on April 24th. Consequently, $120 million was removed from the spot Bitcoin ETFs that day. The fact that Grayscale persists in selling its Bitcoin, notwithstanding the interruption of the inflow streak, is intriguing. Furthermore, it was a dry period for the majority of the other Bitcoin ETF participants as well. One of the causes of today's crypto market fall was this. Since Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency and has a large market cap, its decline will have a domino effect on the whole cryptocurrency market. The value of other cryptocurrencies tends to fall in tandem with Bitcoin if the former undergoes a sharp decline. However, there seems to be an end in sight, so there's no need to be concerned. Amidst a wider adverse market bounce, Shiba Inu's major growth numbers are contradictory, putting the breed in a precarious position. The Shiba Inu price has fallen by more than 8% as of this moment. The apparent increase in trade volume, which has surged by more than 12% to $800 million, counteracts this negative decline. And now this could seem strange to some, since usually when the price of a cryptocurrency falls sharply, traders are more careful and less active, thus there's less trading activity. Although the price of Shiba Inu has dropped, the number of transactions has really gone up. Despite pessimistic market sentiment, this contradictory pattern has investors curious and wondering whether Shiba Inu is seeing more activity or interest. The deflationary aspect of Shiba Inus may soon get a significant boost, according to data from Shiba Burn, because the burn rate has leveled off. In only one day, 22 million Shiba Inu tokens were burned by the meme currency, which laid the foundation for some intriguing events despite having no growth whatsoever. One of the leading cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu, has its real growth affected by little shifts and important parameters like burn rate, trading volume, and big transactions. Prior to this price crash, Shiba Inu had turned the 26th price point into support and was ready to retake the last slot in the top 10 crypto assets. According to the logs from the previous week, the end objective was to regain the next point in the larger recovery operation. If the whales in the Shiba Inu community adopt the tokens, the price of the breed might rise. As of the moment this video was being made, data from the block indicates that huge transactions had increased by 61% in the last 24 hours, reaching $162 million. By continuing this huge hug, we can get back some of the Shiba Inu that the token vendors lost. In addition to whale transactions, the overall market movement is another crucial indicator to keep an eye on. As previously mentioned, Blackrock, the market leader in spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, has seen an interruption in its daily inflow streak. Investor sentiment, the larger force propelling the market upward, may be showing signs of weakness as a result of this. Things start to become intriguing at this point. An opportunity for Shiba Inu token aficionados to save 30% has opened up on Bitmart, a major cryptocurrency exchange. An upcoming launchpad will let users to take advantage of Bitmart's 30% flash sale on Shiba Inu, as revealed in a recent X post. The timing couldn't be more intriguing. This may be a fantastic chance for Shiba Inu if the breed is really ready to thrive after today's market slump. As stated in the official announcement, Bitmart is introducing the sale chance as a way to show appreciation to its customers. Participants in the next campaigns on Bitmart will be able to purchase tickets for a 30% discount on Shiba Inu. With these tickets, you may enter a Launchpad exclusive flash sale lottery for a 30% discount. Up to 2 tickets may be obtained by any Bitmart user. The selling price will be about 30% lower than the average Shiba Inu pricing during the previous 2 days. To maximize their investment in the impending price recovery, members of the Shiba Inu community are ecstatic about this opportunity since it means they can buy additional Shiba Inu tokens at a reduced price. Notable person in the community Lola was taken aback by the steep 30% discount offered by the exchange. The aforementioned is only scratching the surface. New York residents may now buy Shiba Inu via Robinhood, a well-known US-based trading site. In other words, New York clients may now trade Shiba Inus just like crypto fans all around the world. The official Shiba Inu X account also highlighted the new development at the same time. Here, however, you may wonder, wait, what? Long ago, didn't Robinhood have Shiba Inus for sale? Indeed, I agree with you. There is, however, a little detail. Bear in mind that 2022 was the year when Robinhood first listed Shiba Inu. Regulator concerns meant that not all Robinhood users could access the token. Despite introducing support for the Shiba Inu token 2 years ago, Robinhood did not instantly offer it in New York and a few other states. In spite of its status as one of the world's leading financial centers, New York is notorious for its anti-crypto policies. Its recent moves into the crypto and emerging asset industries are indicative of this. As an example, the state of New York accused the prominent cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin of operating an unlicensed trading platform, which led to the closure of its services in the state and a settlement payment of $22 million. Robinhood may have been trying to meet all regulatory requirements when it took so long to make Shiba Inu accessible to New York consumers, given the state's strong position against cryptocurrency. Now, the Shiba Inu's approval by stringent New York officials is another evidence of the breed's long-term reliability. This seal of approval proves that Shiba Inu is a legitimate and trustworthy cryptocurrency, as it satisfies the strict regulatory standards imposed by New York authorities. This has the potential to increase confidence among investors in Shiba Inu's stability and long-term prospects, which in turn might lead to more acceptance and development in the cryptocurrency market. Plus, as we covered in yesterday's video, Robinhood may be getting ready for a slew of new customers by redistributing 3 trillion Shiba Inu tokens yesterday among its internal wallets. So, next week with the Shiba Inu is going to be a real treat. So, what are your thoughts on the matter? Leave your comment in the space provided. Your comment would be much appreciated.